Good morning everyone. Today's topic is principle for success, the call to adventure. Before I begin, let me admit something important. I don't know near as much as I need to know, but something we tell you very important which is useful in your life. In fact, whatever success I have not achieved in his life come less from what I know, more from how I deal with what don't know. Means if you achieve a bigger success in your life, that matter how much you know. Today I want to share a few principles that can help anyone build a successful and meaningful life. These principles are not rules. These are the lessons learned through mistake, failure, reflection and experiences, which is very useful in make a big career goals and achieve our goals. The first and most important principle is simple. Think for yourself. Yes, think for yourself. If you want a life directed by your own choice rather than by other people, you must decide what you believe is true and have the courage to act on it. If you decided to achieve something, then what kinds of courage you gain inside you to achieve that particular task or particular goal. That's matter to how you grow in your life. Life is a river of decisions. Life like a river that constantly carries us forward. We cannot stop its flow, because when we try to stop its flow, there is something biggest happening, failure type like. We cannot avoid a situation and challenges that appear along the way. If you not appear that challenges appear, that moment is not correctly for yourself. All we can do is make the best decision possible when encounter them, that kinds of particular themes which come in your side and your minds. Over the course of your life, you will make millions of decisions in a single day. You remember in a day you thought a million of thoughts. And the quality of those decisions will determine the quality of life. If in each single day, million of decisions, what quality you prefer your decision, that decision make your life is perfect and good life. The most evaluate lesson I have even the learn came from mistakes that forced me to reflect, learn and develop principles so I would not repeat them. That is a particular topic which is come inside each and every person who is live in this world. So you think and work on yourself and improve yourself. Embrace reality. I told you success begins with embracing reality. Reality does not change because we wish it were directed. When you not directed anyone, anywhere, anytime, then your life is very difficult as achieving something is big in your life. The truth is very simply the way the work on yourself. When we understand reality, accept it and work with it instead of fighting it, we dramatically increase our chances of success. If you not work on that kinds of factor, then you not make chances to succeed in your life. This does not mean giving up on a dream. This means you achieving your dreams. Quite the opposite directions which is come inside your minds. Dream big, always dream big. But combine your dream with a clear understanding of reality and relentless determination is actually your focused. When you focus very way in your goal, that particular way to make you success. Big dream, reality plus determination equal to success. When you decide something, there is a little pen and that pen is a teacher. You make your pen is a teacher, then you achieve a greater way in your life. Most people avoid pen, but pen is often life greatest teachers, you know. Every problem contain a lesson. Every setback contain opportunity. I learned very few things in our life to view problem as a puzzles waiting to be solved, not avoiding it. There is a lot of people who is faces some small problem, then he very feel awkwarded and he frustrated. But you not know you not know the problem is make you a advanced and opportunity person. And eventually I discover a powerful principle: pen reflection equal to progress. When something hurt, don't run from it. Pause, push, think, take a breath, long breath, and decide to do what actually we do, not actually what happened. You push, breathe, and reflect on it. Ask yourself very deep. What happened? Why did it happen? What can I learn from it? That particular kinds of job, if you do always when a problem created, then you understand very well to how to we handle and how we move on that kinds of particular problems. The answer often become the foundation of future success. If you not get that kinds of problems answer, then you not make your life is successful. And next step is the process to success is to make success is not complicated. If you make that kind of particular success is very particular complicated. It is a cycle that repeated itself throughout life. There is some steps we tell you one by one. Know your goals. First one is I tell you, understand what you truly want. Your goals should come from your values, not from someone else's expectations. If your goal is very clearly focused, then you can do for it to achieve it is very easily way. Second one is the encounter problem. Problem will always between in you and your goals. Not a third person inside this your goals and you. If you will always be appear a third person in your goals and you, then you not achieve your goals. Don't ignore them. Face them directly and work on it. Step third is diagnose the root cause and find out the actual and genuine reason what is happen in between your goals and you. Don't treat symptoms. Find the real reason the problem exists and do work in. Step 4 is design a plan. Make a plan perfectly. In our manufacturing organization, there is a known as a PFD, process flow diagram. As like you also make a plan, design plan to create a clear strategy, overcome the obstacles. And fifth one is the execute. Take action. Do the difficult work required to move forward. Then repeat the process again and again. If you do that particular works in your life day by day to achieve a bigger goal, this is helpful for that kinds of particular step in your daily to routine. This growth, this is a evaluation step. If you follow that kinds of step in your life, then your life in day one to make your life is better as compared to previously when you not follow that kinds of step in your lives. This is the true. And I explain a thing. Failure is not the end. someone think is failure is the end. This is the biggest mistake. In 1982, I made a one thing. I biggest in 1992, one scientist made a biggest mistake in his life. He was completely convinced that an economic depression was coming. He published, made a huge book, and he was completely wrong. The depression never come. When he completely lost everything in his life, the economic grew. The economic grew is coming in his life, and he faces something biggest problem is life. That failure is a markable marked scored level high failures, and his business nearly collapsed. He totally disturbed. He lost almost everything. Nothing had to help to survive in this world. At one point, he had to borrow money from he had to borrow money from his father just to pay his bill. It was painful. It was embarrassing. It was very dangerous for his, because at that point he reached this is the biggest drastically and drastically problem in his life. And I can tell you humbly, but he become one of the greatest gift of his life, because failure tough. He humility. It tough. That begin conflict is not the same as begin correct. And it tough for him that every setback content valuable lesson if he were willing to learn from it. So that is the end point of me until you watch this video, and we meet an other video. So today's topic is here, and okay, goodbye, take care, and stay calm, learn more, and grow in your life. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.